What did they happen for Accra sef? What did they happen? What did they happen? Because right now, I can't be like say the country now called the one the world for Nigerians. Nigerians now, we don't forget now say the security service of this country has expressed leniency over the years. We want to take advantage of that leniency, so there's some boys so call the thief.
Because they do ritual, they join ourselves for the matter.
Because they carry confront for heads, they fight confront matter. When you dey come the country, your chairman not tell you say if you reach border, you go hang your bad characters for border. One na they carry on a bad character they enter the country now. Because they shake the country. I don't know say people don't dey this country, we don't invest so much. We don't invest their life, their resources, get family, get business, they live well coordinated life.
They don't know.
If una know so, una wan carry this una bad character, una go back to Nigeria, go dey do all those nonsense. How somebody go there, small boy, you never feel coordinate yourself. Small money where you take, you go rent one room, carry like 15 boys, 31 boys, because you want me to call you chairman. When you don't get the mental capability to handle people, to coordinate people. They give them, they feed them once times a day. How they not go misbehave for the society? How they not go turn men and see the other day they fight for circle, Nigeria boys. They disgrace us. No, say students in the country where be Nigerian people, the legit Nigerian citizens are currently residing in the country with family. So then now you go get money now, you know, if you got to drive well for night, you got to fear to make call. 2012, 2011, when you take Ghana, you don't feel they make call anywhere, if you carry your phone, you feel strong for any time of the night. But now, the nonsense so they don't do for the country now, because they make boys the change. Because they make things they ask. Ask rate because they increase. You go tell you, because ask rate not go increase. When you go on rent house, you won't go rent house, you go tell landlady, say, now only you. In less than 2 months, they go see 31 people. And you, when they gather people like that, you don't even have a common resident permit. You don't have. And you will not respect yourself. Cost menace for the society. Coordinate yourself. Nigerian boys in Ghana, coordinate yourself. Ghana is a place where we have come to look for cement money. Not be place where they misbehave. If you not say you they misbehave for, you for stay Nigeria. Right. People are living a well-coordinated life here. This is not civil society. They get laws, they get regulation. The security by the special grace of God and the relationships where people don't build over the years, all our godfather and chairman don't build over the years, they express leniency towards us. Don't take advantage of that. Nigeria boy, they're going to see you Monday to Sunday for club. Cut those nonsense, cut it off. If no other Yankee you did, you know they carry go outside. If you not get paper for Yankee, you go carry go outside. You don't know where to bring you come the country. So I'm going to thief. Ghana is not a place of quick money. Listen to me. Ghana not be place of quick money. Ghana is a place where people they work hard. They make money. The land is just blessed. The land is fruitful if you work. Remove your hand from bad thing. Not a thief. Nigerian boys were not known to thief. Nigerians don't thief. Stop it. You will be young boy, where one form say you be chairman. If person they come from Nigeria, once you don't have the mental capability to mentor that person, make it day Nigeria hustle. Stop bringing tout into the country. Now the Broncos they talk. Stop bringing tout into the country. Now go just gather for one room, 31 boys inside one room. What are you doing? Oh, because you want to be chairman. Go ask people where be chairman. They worked hard for it. Everybody serve. When you come to the country, you serve. There should be discipline in all the offices across Ghana. There should be discipline. If you know say na waka waka you come to for the country, you go back to Nigeria, go to waka waka. That money will come fine for you. Now cement money will come fine for you. When I try to coordinate to myself, make no nonsense, not they go on again. That disgrace to the Nigerian society at large. Coordinate yourself. Work hard. All those boys where they stand for all the Western, you know, those where they beg, all those where if they're not ready to also, may they give them money, may they go Nigeria. Any boy who not patient to make money for Ghana, make them give them money, make it go Nigeria. Productivity is not the large crowd you have in a room. It's about the brains. It's about the seriousness. Let's respect ourselves, Nigerian boys in Ghana. Let's respect ourselves. Stop the show off. People wey get money sef not dey show off for the country. People wey get investment not dey show. Stop the show off. It's unnecessary. You are pushing the young Ghanaian youth into something they don't want to do. This country, things are rising because of our stupid and callous show off. Unnecessary show off. You get money where you no go orphanage, go pimp everywhere for orphanage. You get money where you no go buy paint all the road. Now drink, you got drink for Ghana. Now club, now shower, they hungry you. You don't get family for Nigeria. You don't know what to show you call the country. You call the country, you call the constitute nuisance. They put the lives of many other Nigerians with diligent and committed work. They put their mind at unrest. They make the Ghana police they get so upset at our behavior. Stop bringing people who not get focused to Ghana. Stop bringing them. If they want travel, may they go enter Libya Road. Stop bringing touts to the country. Those way they call themselves chairmen. You must start to imbibe the culture back into the boys. Because when they come the country, they draw our ears down for Ghana. Tell us, say, for Ghana, they're not a fox not picking. For Ghana, they're not a thief. For Ghana, they're not a fuck another man's wife. For Ghana, they coordinate themselves. They tell us these things. And these are the things where they don't nurture us to be good citizens, to be good Nigerians, to be smart Nigerians. Do you think what most of you are doing in the country, you think say by any standard of the law is legal? You will not get common passport, you go get 12 boys, 6 boys for one room. You can be arrested and jailed for that. We must bring our focus back into what you carry us come up for home. We have families, we have projects, both pending and non-project. We get focused. People are trying to stand their future. We must stop this menace in Accra, Ghana. We must stop it. Not only us, be the foreigners who are here. There are Congolese, there are Malians, Mali people. Different people are in the country. We understand. Say there are other Ghanaians that may not like our conduct, but it is the example that we give that we make them have a change of mind. You go to some places now, they say they don't want the renters for Nigeria again. Even if they want rent for you, the money go double increase. Because they know you cannot be trusted with your level of stupidity. Just because say you just God just bless you, you just rent one room. You go call your family or your village members, pack 80 people for one room. You don't worry, you don't get sense. You not go stand on your own 2 feet. You just say that my mind to coordinate a group of adults. Stop bringing people to Ghana if you cannot curtail them. And the Nigerian girls too, stop bringing girls, small children. Don't bring children. So those 16, 15 years girls now they come Ghana, they call also. Which kind of nonsense be that now? Now they get the fear of God. Now go see come the country, they porous their girls. They constitute. No self-coordination. I'm not happy with this conduct at all. Because there are a group of Nigerians who have invested in this country, who are living a good life and are living very calmly. We must begin to imbibe that culture of living calmly and stop the fucking show off. People will get money, not they shout. Before you buy any car, before you buy Spider, people don't buy in a long time. Before you buy Range, people don't buy in a long time. Before you buy Benz, people don't buy in a long time. And in the next few years, those cars will be old cars. Respect yourself. Let your investment in Nigeria speak for you. Coordinate yourself while you are here. This is a battlefield to hustle. This is the war ground. This is not the place for fun. This is the place of focus. Stop constituting nuisance. Ghana is not a place for quick money. There is no quick. We don't do sakawa. We know they do. Nigerian boys, they work hard. We must stop the culture. Those ogume, those rubbish. Not they lead people the wrong way. Don't lead people the wrong way.